Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the notebook you want accelerated. Click Edit Settings at the top right, then set Accelerator to GPU, choose the available type, usually Tesla T4. Make sure your account has enough GPU quota before you allocate. If not, request an increase in Kaggle account settings. Once done, save and restart the session so the kernel sees the hardware. This immediate action gets you from 0 to a GPU-backed runtime without changing your code yet. Once the session restarts, verify the hardware by running NVIDIA CUDA. This shows GPU model and memory, so you know what you can use. Next, make sure your libraries match the CUDA version. Pip install or upgrade Torch, TensorFlow, and any CUDA toolkit bindings that match the kernel. Then adapt your code. Explicitly set the device in PyTorch or TensorFlow so tensors and models move to GPU. Make sure data loaders use pin memory and appropriate batch sizes for throughput. Finally, optimize and run your training or inference. Increase batch size until memory limits or enable mixed precision to boost speed and lower memory use. Monitor utilization with NVIDIA CUDA and adjust data loader workers if you see CPU bottlenecks. If something goes wrong, restart the kernel, rerun NVIDIA CUDA to confirm presence, and reinstall libraries that mismatch CUDA. If out of memory, reduce batch size or model size. If GPU not found, double-check edit settings and session type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.